I think it's the punchline is competition. M&A, M&A levels and valuation levels have increased because there's more active participants that are seeking the same opportunities. So, there's a level of scarcity for really quality and really large RIAs in this space. And then there's just more people looking to get involved in M&A. Private equity has certainly influenced a number of large RIAs and their growth strategies, and M&A is a part of that. So you just have more what we call acquisition brands that are competing for the same number of opportunities, and that's leading to an increased valuation level in the space. But then I think, above and beyond that, there's a theme in this space that is so true today, which is that the word's out, right? RIAs are great businesses. They are great investment opportunities. There's a lot of opportunity to concentrate and consolidate in the space. It's highly fragmented, and it's a business that was really strong during pretty critical events, most recently when the pandemic first took hold. So I think there's a lot of reasons why the valuations are up, but the most notable is that the word's out, competition's up, and I think we're going to see it stay that way for a while.